Hello, kids! Today, we are going to learn something fun and exciting, homophones. Let's begin our lesson. Homophones are the words that have same pronunciation but different meanings and spellings. Here are some examples. Ball, ball. Carrot, carrot. Flu, flu. New, new. Male, male. Let's solve. Write the meaning of each word. Allowed, permitted. Allowed, spoken out loud. Ate, past tense of eat. Ate, the number 8. Buy, to purchase something. Buy, short form of goodbye. Write, correct. Write, to put words on paper. Dear, loved one. Dear, an animal. Reel, a spool for winding film or thread. Reel, something true or genuine. Now let's write a homophone for each of the following. One. Here, here. Hour, hour. Call, call. Board, board. Feet, feet. Seas, seas. Rain, rain. Hall, hall. Peak, peak. Great work, kids! Today we learned that homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a master. Bye-bye!